Returning or refunding your Amazon purchases is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can refund your purchases in your Amazon. So suppose you ordered any of the product from Amazon, but now you want refunded. There could be several reasons that you didn't like the product or the product doesn't fit. So how can you refund it? So for that, you have to go to your orders, you have to locate the order, and you have to select the problem with your order. There will be a huge list for your order. Yeah. So currently I didn't have any order, or I didn't order any of the product. These are just my cart products that I haven't even ordered. So after ordering, you guys will be able to see your order option. You just have to click on this option, and you guys should be able. I need to log into my account first. So after logging in, you guys will be able to see your orders, and in your orders, you have to go to refunding or problem with the order. After that, you need to submit a ticket. What it will do is Amazon will send someone to pick the order from your place and refund it to the company, and they will refund your money or refund the amount of money you paid for the product. In some cases, they even refund the money and doesn't even take the product as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can refund your products in Amazon. Hope you guys find this video helpful.